How to fix Instagram login error on iPhone. If you're struggling with the same problem, don't worry, as we have brought you some simple tricks and tips on how you can do that. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to go and tap on your settings. Now scroll down on your settings until you find the option called General. Scroll down again and tap on the option called iPhone Storage. Scroll down and tap on Instagram and make sure that you do the offload app. Once you tap on offload app, it will take some time to refresh and then tap on the reinstall app. In this way, you can easily fix your problem. Another thing what you can do is you can go and delete your app. Once you tap on delete, it will automatically be deleted and go to your app store and re-download your app again. In this way, you can easily fix Instagram login error on your iPhone. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.